Hey guys, wanna know how to delete MetaTrader 4 on Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, deleting MetaTrader 4 is simply easy. But in this video, we're going to talk about the application. If you want to know how to delete MetaTrader account, we have also made a video of it. Make sure to check it out. Now, just close the MetaTrader application, hold the MetaTrader app, and right here you can see this uninstall icon right here. Simply click on it and then select uninstall once again, and there you have it. Your MetaTrader will be uninstalled. If you want a different method, you can also go to Play Store and then search up for MetaTrader, and right here just simply click on it and then select uninstall. Select uninstall again, and there you have it. MetaTrader 4 will successfully be uninstalled. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.